How can you stand out in the digital PR crowd?
I think it kind of goes back to what I was talking before around you need to understand what your strengths and your weaknesses are, and also where you're most comfortable. Um, I think a lot of people fall into the trap of thinking they have to go absolutely wild and wacky and do something that's never been done before and sort of reinvent the wheel of how to apply for something or get noticed. But often, if it's not something that they're comfortable doing, it doesn't come across as well as they probably intended it to. So if they can really harness what they're strong at or what their creative ideas and think of a way to package that up in something that they're good at doing, that I reckon wins out over something weird and wonderful that might actually not be very indicative of the person that they are.